So I'm kind of flying by the seat of my pants. When I get to repairing the top sides, I'm going to have to tackle this gunnel. It's pretty banged up. The worst of it seems to be right in this section right here, and to really effectively get to that, I'm going to have to take off this tow rail, and that's when it starts opening up a hole. The project expands because these bolts, the nuts are, they're encapsulated in fiberglass, but they're not captured in the fiberglass. So they just spin if I just try to loosen them up here. As a matter of fact, let's see. Yeah, that's not coming out. So the nuts are just spinning around inside this fiberglass. So I've got to cut open the fiberglass, go inside, cut open the fiberglass. I just stick a vice grip on the nut, and then I'm able to pull the thing out. The plan is evolving as I go. I think I'm just going to tackle this one section. There's a scupper here and a scupper there, so it's only like this 4-foot section of tow rail that I need to get off to begin with. Just kind of going bit by bit here and exploring, seeing what I have to do, what needs to be done to accomplish the task. So what I think I'm going to do is I'll pull these bolts, take off the tow rail, and probably just patch those holes right away. The deck core ends right about here. Past that, it's just fiberglass. So I'm going to take them off piece by piece, plug these holes. Should I plug them with epoxy or thickened epoxy? But if I'm painting, oh, I've got the polyester structural repair compound. I can use that. So yeah, thinking out loud. Yeah, that'll work really well. So, my task at hand is to get these bolts out. Sounded good, and by good I mean bad. Things falling in my boat. They're surprisingly short. 1/4 inch. Oh, it's goopy. All right, I'm gonna estimate. 14 drops an ounce, so that's 7 drops. Well, it just changed color, doesn't it? I'm going under the assumption that much like epoxy, you should stir it past where you think it's done mixing. All right. Say that's mixed enough. Ooh, stinks. One more time. Who's texting me? Lenny. Oh. All right. Look at the tip. Cool. Oh, flathead. Dang it. What swan eggs taste like.